everybody, Brent in Central Arkansas. I want to give you a quick update on the grow room. Got some lettuce and even some cabbage growing there. I'm going to do a separate video on those. I've got all my tomatoes from probably the last time. They're pretty small in the last update I did, but they're doing quite well, and I am harvesting tomatoes off of there. Got some color, I got some up here, and this is pretty good. These are slicer size for some nice tomato sandwiches in there. Got some more tomatoes growing in here. It's quite see one back there, it's quite dense. They grew up the string, and then I let them kind of peel over in front of the lights here, the LEDs. This side over here doesn't get much, doesn't get hardly any sunlight because of the shade cloth over there, but they get some over here on this side a little bit. Got some tomatoes in here, including one there. It's pretty good size. I need to take over here, and even some far over here. So we've been getting a good bit of tomatoes off of these, and they taste exceptionally well. This line is a 7th generation tomato I call Donovan. I actually started these tomatoes from its parent that I selfed in this exact grow room. So the parent grew in here, and then all of these are the children from everything that grew in here. Down here I've got my hybrid pepper, sweet and spicy, and it's got some peppers on them growing. See some back there. Even one, it looks like it's starting to change color. And then over here, I think peppers really like the sun, because these over here look like they set the fruit a little better because they do have some natural light. Tomatoes are kind of pushing them, pushing the light, so are shading them, so they're not getting as much light. Anyway, I've got a broccoli there that I'm going to attempt to save seed from. That's the purpose of that grow. I got a separate video of that coming up, a couple generations of dehybridizing Pac-Man broccoli. So that's a dehybridization second or third generation. So we'll see how that goes. So that's what's growing on in here. I've got some trials here with the microgreens. I'll talk about that in a later date. That's pretty much what's going on in here. This is Brent, you guys. We will see you later.